Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to limit friend requests on Facebook using your PC. It's important to have control over who can send you friend requests, and with these simple steps, you can achieve just that. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Facebook profile. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy below your profile photo. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Settings page for your Facebook account. Step 5. Click on Privacy from the left-hand side menu. Step 6. Find the section labeled Who Can Send You Friend Request and click on Edit next to it. Step 7. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on it to open the options. Step 8. Finally, select Friends of Friends from the available options. This will limit friend requests to people who are friends with your existing friends. By following these steps, you can effectively limit friend requests on Facebook, ensuring a more personalized and secure social network experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.